Hello, we're on the final stage of your ornament construction and we're going to be stuffing. So you've got some polyfill here, you've got your ornament, you've left a hole for yourself. I've left too small of a hole. This should probably be closer to like 2 inches big, but we're gonna make it work. And again, Wonderclips are going to be a good thing to have on hand at this point. So you leave your thread attached to your ornament, open up that hole and take little pieces of stuffing and jam it inside. I know my kids really like to help with this part. A chopstick or something else long and pokey is useful. And you don't want to stuff it too much, but you do want to stuff it enough that it's full. And this is why it's difficult when this hole is too small, because you can't actually get the stuffing in there. And just move it around so that it's in all the crevices and crannies. You can see I have quite a bit of stuffing here, and I've only used about 3 small clumps, and that's all you really need for good, you know, fullness here. Can see it's nice and fat now. I'm going to take the Wonderclips and I'm going to use those to help keep this section together while I continue stitching. And I recommend leave your opening somewhere along the side of your ornament, not close to a point. Stick one more clip in here. It's easier to work with. And then we continue stitching all the way around. I'm using big fat stitches. You can use small stitches. These aren't gonna, they're gonna be sitting on a tree relatively undisturbed. So you don't need to worry about the big stitches, like stuff's not going to fall out. And once you get to the point where you are close to the end, you can take those clips out and go connect my last stitch here. And I'm going to just bring this up and around one final time. And what I like to do is tie a knot about, I don't know, 2 inches up the tail. I double knot it usually. And if I can find where my first knot is. Not really, yeah, there we go. And then I'm going to stab that through the front of the ornament and then the back and pull that knot all the way through, and that buries, and I'm gonna cut right close to the felt. Once you squish it away, and it buries the tail in there and it keeps it secure. Like I said, it's going to sit on a tree. It's not going to move around much. You're not going to wash it. You don't need to overly secure it. And that's it. That's how you finish your ornament.